To all my friends who think I'm rubbing it in when I talk about growing vegetables all winter here in Central Florida, there are some downsides. Today is May 12th, 2019, and what you're looking at here is my Swiss chard, flat on the ground. And the collards that I'm so proud of, drooping, wilting, suffering. May 12th, it's almost 90 degrees today, and these plants can't take it. They'll probably be gone in another month. So while y'all are growing your spring and summer crops, I'll be growing hardly anything. Even the peppers over here that usually like heat, too much heat. So there is a downside to being in Florida. Take care.